Okay, so you've decided you want to build a fountain. There's a million different ways, there's a million different fountains to buy. What I used was a tabletop fountain that I had acquired from work. There was a doctor that I used to work with who passed away from cancer. The people there at work, they said, "Do you want his fountain?" And I said, "Sure, I'll take it." It sat around for years. I didn't know what to do with it. So I decided to do this. I had some pavers left over from another job. I found a basin that was just the right size. I tried a few different configurations that let's put it this way. It took a lot of trial and error, as you can see. I started out with 3 high on the bricks, and then I decided to just go 2 layers, and just kind of had to put it together and take it apart until I found the look I was looking for. So I found this basin. You can do this underground as well. There's a million pond pumps. I would get one with lights, and I'd get a good quality one. I should have probably got a better quality one. It was a little louder than I thought. It's adequate though. Like I said, trial and error, just putting it together, taking it apart until I found what I was looking for. Everything needs to sit level, of course, so that can take a little bit of work. I did throw some copper piping down, just some old copper piping I had. Supposedly that helps with the bacteria buildup. I do use a little bit of chlorine, the stuff that's safe for the birds. The tabletop fountain portion, I had to drill through and put a piece of clear tube all the way through down into the basin. So the pump sits down below in the basin. As you can see, there's the clear tube coming out. I did have to drill with a masonry bit, and so that was really the hardest part. Once I got the tube up through and put some silicone sealer around it, the tube goes down to the pump, and then I was able to, it's flexible so you can move it around a little bit. Next thing you know, I plugged it in, and voila! I had some slate, some really beautiful slate left over from another job, and I started kind of placing what I had. This is the effect I got. It actually turned out okay. I would definitely suggest you put a drain in the bottom. I drilled a drain, picked up this inexpensive little outlet, and now I can drain it when I need to. And it does tend to build up with gunk from these guys. Now this was a nice little surprise. The first day the fountain was running, here come the birds. And the bird said, "Hey, we've got a pool." So they really seemed to like it. I was really surprised how popular a spot it came out to be. In fact, it was kind of turned into a bird spa. They really have a lot of fun. It's really fun watching the birds. I was really surprised how many birds it really attracted and how many different species of birds we had around our house. I was very surprised. So it's great to just watch them splashing around and bathing, and they come every day and they drink and they eat the food for free. So I guess we've turned them into bird bums. But we really enjoy watching them. And then at nighttime, it's really having the thing lit up at night. Of course, there's a million different ways to light it up, but we really like to sit out on the deck at night. And there was also this little surprise. So thanks for watching. Hope that gave you some ideas. Till next time.